Here we can see that it's plugged in and charging. Really solid looking adapter. Okay everyone, so before we go out and see the adapter in action, let's take a quick look at what we get in the package and what the device looks like here. So you get the A to Z Typhoon Pro adapter in this nice case, very nice case. And so if I unzip this and open it up, you can see that I have this foam insert in the top, and then the adapter is here. If I take the adapter out, you can see this is just a really nice case. And then we have the adapter itself. And the adapter itself is quite different from the original A to Z Typhoon adapter. So if you look at the bottom of it, we don't have anything on the bottom of it that locks or unlocks the Tesla port. And if you look at the top of the device, you see we have this one release, and that's it. And if you look at the front of it, here are the pins, okay? And then if you look at the back of it, this is the end where the Tesla connection goes in. Okay, everyone, so now the way this trigger works is it operates both this clip here and the one that holds the Tesla connector in. So when you press down on this initially, it's going to release the part that's plugged into the car. But I'm going to try to show this to you in here. If you press down a second time, you'll see that it actually moves the locking pin for the Tesla connection. So here it's releasing it from the car, and if I press it down again, it releases it from the Tesla connection. But overall, really solid adapter. So let's go out to the Tesla Supercharger in Hagerstown and see how this thing works. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my charge port, and it wants me to attach the adapter and plug in. So the first time we plug in the adapter, we're going to need to press down on this firmly, make sure the adapter's in, and then also tug on it to make sure that it's not loose. Now once we have the adapter plugged in, I'm just going to take this out. Nice secure connection there. And if everything works correctly, my Tesla app, and I've got a green light, so that means that everything's looking good. And it's starting to ramp up. You can see I have 50% state of charge. And I can hear this unit behind me firing up as well. So yeah, it looks like we've got a successful charging session going with the A to Z Typhoon Pro adapter. And here we are inside the Rivian, and you can see that, well, of course it's telling me miles per hour. I'm getting 192 kilowatt, and I've got 52% state of charge. I'm actually going to tap on my charge limit and bump it up to 80. And it's telling us it's going to take 9 minutes to get from 52% to 80%. So not bad at all, folks. Not bad at all. And this A to Z Typhoon Pro adapter seems very solid in its construction. And I like the fact that you don't have to fiddle with any locking pins or anything like that. So lastly, we're going to show you how we remove it and terminate the charging session, and that'll be it. Okay, everyone, so we're going to show you how we stop the charging session and remove the adapter. So I'm just going to come down here, and I'm actually going to tap on the circle on the Tesla Supercharger, and that should stop the session. And when it does, we'll see this light go red, and we'll actually hear it release inside, and then this will turn white. And when it turns white, I can press all the way down on this. Actually, now it's started up again. When it turns white, I can press all the way down on this, pull this out, then press on this and pull this out as well. And then I'm ready to close up my charge port and move on. That's it. Okay, everyone, so what do you guys think of the A to Z Typhoon Pro adapter? Let us know down in the comments section. As always, folks, remember to hit that like button. It does help others discover our content on YouTube a little bit easier. Hit that subscribe button, and when you do, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified anytime we add new content. And like I always say, folks, hug the people you love every chance you get. I'll see you next time.